Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On the night before October 21st, 2019, a tornado struck in Dallas, Texas. This is the footage on the day after the tornado struck. There was an electricity outage, homes and buildings were destroyed, and there was tons of broken trees laying on the road. Anyways, here's the footage.
I could touch some leaves from out my window, probably. I saw some almost broken cars. Oh my god, look! Look, this place. This place is a disaster. That man should be, surprised. Well, at least we have a bit of light because of the sun. What's the date? The date?
21st.
Oh, yeah, it's October 21st, 2019. We got struck by a tornado. And some people got injured too at one place. But the only good thing is there's no school.
Oh yeah, this is another way we're going to Walmart. Okay.
Oh, the house is broken!
House?
What? The house!
The roof was broken. Did you see that? One roof was broken.
So the tornado must have struck here.
Broken roof right there.
Yeah.
You see, a lot of damage. There's bent street lights as well.
Yeah.
And those powery pulley things that carry electricity, those are broken as well.
No, we have no power. No
And
power.
a few trees.
The only good thing, school.
Yeah. I just wanted to point out that coming up there'll be a tree on the road on the right side. So just keep notice of that.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
There's some broken.
This one
Yeah.
is broken.
Yeah, there's so many broken cars too.
Oh my god, this is also the same thing.
Yeah, there's some police here like the other one. Oh wow, this place is now messed up. Like really messed up. There's so many. Oh my god. I don't know how to explain.
Same.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
look at this. Look at all this traffic.
No way we can get out
Look
of
at
traffic.
all of
There's No
this.
way. We can never get out of this traffic. Oh wow. I don't like this traffic. Just a broken
Yeah, out of church, then what are you gonna do?
Okay.
We saw some broken windows all around the place. On a
This is
huge
the second
building.
video. We saw a humongous building with a whole
my God.
bunch of broken
Oh
windows.
my god.
And now we're in a
And
bunch of traffic. People are so annoyed by the traffic. I hate traffic.
এটা নিয়েও তো লাভ হলো না সব জায়গায় তো ট্রাফিক
Oh, what if people in the public storage actually like their
I guess we just took like but it's not bright out here.
ও
Okay, there. What? Yeah, there. No. What? I killed the phone on it.
barely even up the traffic. It's gonna take a while, isn't it? I don't even see Walmart. It's like 60 miles away for us. We've never.
Oh, look, that traffic right there. That's a lot. All over there. We're traveling to Walmart because there's.
god.
Oh, look at all this. Look. All the way. You can see all the way down there. Oh, whoa.
Oh my god.
I wish to see outside, but I have to record. Look, it's still going. It's still going. Oh, it's kind of, yeah, it's still an end. Okay, well, we're here at Walmart. That's cool. Well, we just took a long route.
লাইট আবার গুড দিচ্ছে না।
Okay, I'm ending the video.
আমি এবং আমার পুত্র দুজনে মিলে ভিডিওটা বানানোর চেষ্টা করেছি, আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। Thanks for watching everyone, and if you like my content, consider subscribing. Thanks.